Market tape, indices, rates, oil, dollar. Market setup, yesterday's red, growth and semis failed to confirm risk appetite. S&P 500 0.05%, NASDAQ. Source, Yahoo Finance Market Data. Implication, yesterday's red, growth and semis failed to confirm risk appetite. Use this to separate. Watch next, watch whether rates and the dollar confirm or fight the equity move. Daily stock and ETF volume movers. Market setup, previous closed session, data as of July 25, 2026 1:20 p.m. Eastern Time. Stocks by share activity. Source, NASDAQ Market Data. Implication, use the board to separate broad participation from an isolated price move, Watch next, watch whether the same names and ETF groups repeat on the next. Sector ETF Rotation. Market setup, defensive cyclicals global breadth tech cluster leaders, XLRE plus 2.22%, XLB plus 1.93%. Source, Sector ETF Market Data. Implication, this is a defensive tape, utilities, staples, healthcare, and real estate are leading. Watch next, watch SMH, XLK, IGV, XLY, XLF, XLE, and defensives for confirmation. Country ETF Breadth. Market setup, Europe North America emerging markets developed Asia leaders, Germany EWG plus 1.31%, UK. Source, Country ETF Market Data. Implication, Europe is leading the country ETF tape, so watch ECB data, industrials, and currency. Watch next, watch Japan, Taiwan, Korea, China, India, Europe, Canada, Mexico. AI tech top and bottom movers. Market setup, AI, big tech, semiconductors, cloud, and software watchlist movers. Gainers, now plus 7.44%. Source, AI tech watchlist market data. Implication, movers show where investors paid for the story and where they faded it. Watch next, watch whether top movers keep leading after the next official. Led, NVIDIA, NAVER, NVIDIA, and Brookfield to expand. Market setup, news summary, NAVER, NVIDIA, and Brookfield plan to invest in gigawatt-scale, multi-tenant. Source, NVIDIA Newsroom. Implication, NVIDIA is tying AI infrastructure to unit economics, investors should track. Watch next, watch throughput, cost per token, latency claims, customer adoption. Story 2, NVIDIA, SK Group and NVIDIA expand strategic. Market setup, news summary, SK Group and NVIDIA expand strategic collaboration with a $500 billion plus. Source, NVIDIA Newsroom. Implication, NVIDIA is tying AI infrastructure to unit economics, investors should track. Watch next, watch throughput, cost per token, latency claims, customer adoption. Story 3, Amazon will share its Q2 2026 earnings. Market setup on July 30th, Amazon is set to hold a conference call to discuss its Q2 2026 financial. Source, Amazon News. Implication, guidance and segment detail can move the next revision cycle, not just the first reaction. Watch next, watch guidance, backlog, segment growth, and management tone. Story 4, ECB Philip R. Elaine, outlook for the euro. Market setup, Philip R. Elaine, outlook for the euro area economy. The question is whether it changes. Source, European Central Bank press releases. Implication, macro updates matter because they reset the rate and liquidity backdrop for every other. Watch next, watch the next data release, central bank tone, and any change. Watch next, cloud capex and backlog conversion. Why it matters, watch whether spending schedules, RPO, and enterprise adoption turn into revenue guidance instead of another headline spike. Confirmation check, official data and primary disclosures are the confirmation filter. Cross-asset checkpoint, SPY 0.05%, QQQ minus 1.12%, World Equities minus 0.03%, and Bitcoin $64,174. Disclaimer, this content is for informational and educational purposes only. It is not investment advice.